global solidarity is important, and not just for this drug, but also for other drugs and for vaccines that are likely to be developed over the coming months. This is a test, I think, for all of humanity. But specifically on remdesivir, as you know, there are many trials still ongoing on remdesivir, including the Solidarity trial that's looking at mortality benefit. What we know up to now is from the publications that came out of China that did not show any benefit for remdesivir, and the publication from the NIH, which showed a reduction in hospitalization of about 30%. So patients who got remdesivir had an average hospitalization of 11 days versus 15 days for the ones who did not receive it. We know remdesivir is an antiviral drug, and but we don't know what its efficacy is. Today, it seems incredible that it's just 6 months ago that we actually learned about this cluster of cases of pneumonia originating in Wuhan. And none of us could have, I think, imagined when we woke up on the 1st of January that 6 months along, this is where we're going to be grappling with this pandemic. We've learned a lot. Where did the virus originate from? How is it spreading? The viral diversity itself, based on the huge amount of data we have on the genetic sequences of these viruses, the management at the human-animal interface. We've also learned a lot about which animals seem to be susceptible to this virus. In other words, getting it from humans. But we still have to get to the bottom of how it actually crossed the animal-human barrier, when that happened. And that's important because we want to prevent further spillovers and further pandemics from arising. So it's important to understand that.